What's up, YouTube? Welcome to our YouTube channel. We don't really know what we're gonna be doing today, so let's see. What can we do? So let's look around.
Okay, I got a trick that we could do. Okay.
Wait, what do you think we should do?
The door knock challenge.
Oh, we already did that. Remember?
Yeah, but nobody could see it.
Yeah, that's true. So, like Tasha said, we'll be doing the door knock challenge. So let's get it. But which door are we supposed to knock this door?
Huh?
So let's get it. We about to knock one of these doors and run.
Push into the car here.
So let's go back. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh, shit.
I got it.
Yeah, okay. That's all for today, so goodbye.